Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Batsumtimantu mabuyu bambolunyu hlase bodlamanzi abafokasane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na Couple Switching Phones mntanami. We're in the streets of Johannesburg, South Africa, and we are definitely looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Futhi wenza sure utheliswa iphakathi. Hey yo Mzansi, I like it when you say it with me. It's going crazy. It's going bananas. It's a bubble king mtanami. Another day, another dollar. I'm not alone. I'm with Welcome Dlamini, Shendele Bobo, Shipopo. Take me to the couple. Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Intwana Kings batsumtimandu mabuyu bambolunyu hlase ubhodlamanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na Couple Switching Phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthelithwa iphakathi.
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake.
Ngesinenze lutho. Abafana bangezansi. Sanibona.
Hello.
Insizwa zingenhla. Niyaphila? Sharp. My brother ubani mfethu igama ngiyakufanisa uthi yami. Uwenza ini uya actor?
Hayi uyangifanisa ba?
Yeah, ngathi uya actor. Ubuya ngathi uactor kulama Mzansi Bioscope movie. Ngathi
So igama usikhulu.
Usikhulu.
Wena ubani mfethu?
King Ginger, igama lami mfethu King Ginger, ngisuka eNgwenya University. Sinayo iNgwenya University la eJohannesburg, sinayo futhi iNgwenya University kwaBulawayo, sinayo futhi iNgwenya University naseBotswana. Wena usikhulu sakuphi?
Hayi, mina mfethu ngibase la elokhuzane eLoli. Ngazi mfethu wayonke lembuzo vele.
Sure, sifuthe school suwe esikoleni, sambe sibuza abantu ama questions for interview yaseScale. My sister ubani igama? How are you?
I'm okay, how are you?
Good. Ubani igama?
My name is Alvina.
Elvina.
Yeah.
Njayami. Hey dog, manje wena no Elvina nishaya isingisi nje. Ngiqoquthe uGeorge.
Mfethu umuntu wami nawe uyambona nje. Hayi ngapha before nje imbuzo eminingi nawe uyambona kanjani mfethu. I'm proud of him mfethu. Ngithemba siqedile outside.
Yeah, no, ngeke sibe bad. So, Elvina, I want to know from you, when I know my brother usikhulu niyathandana?
Yeah, we're dating.
We're dating. So, what is it that you love about Skulu?
I just love everything about him.
Yeah.
Everything.
He's a nice guy, ne?
Yeah.
Mkhulu. You know the name Skulu, what the name Skulu means?
I don't know.
You don't know? So, the name Skulu means that he's a boss.
He's a boss.
Yeah, that is his name. Why ungamchazeli umuntu wakho uthi wena uyibiza ngeboss?
Hawu, mfethu ibuze ngaka. Hawu. Ayikho into angayazi ngami. Nakhona iqueen yami kahle kahle. Mina njengoba ngusikhulu ngadlangala.
Yena isikhulukazi.
Isikhulukazi.
Ingadlanga.
Sami yeah sure.
Hawu njaya.
Mfethu singa
Yeah, no, sohamba sikhulu nathi soniphelezela uma uthi futhi aninankinga. So sikhulu, ngicela ukubuza mfethu kuwe mfethu. Njengoba nithandana noma amazi, awasiflatheli sikhulu singapha mfethu. Ngicela ukubuza njengoba noma uyayibona kodwa future between the two of you, niyibona nikuphi mhlambe in the next 2 years?
Hayi mfethu into engayisho ngimthanda kakhulu umuntu wami Nkosi yami yazi ngifisa nje ukuthi kahle kahle in 2 years time nje esithandana into engingakutshela yona ukuthi yabona ama wedding plans vele ngithathe mfethu abe wami once
Already ukuthi akushade sikhulu. Are you ready for a marriage?
Yes, he said that maybe next year or next year we're going to have a white wedding. And I'm so happy.
Yeah.
Why wedding njayami?
Dunami ngithi ngifuna ukwenza into emhlola sikhusama ngisihlula abantu lento lena. Ngithi mina ngithanda ukwenza lezi ezihlula abanye la.
Sikhulu wenza. Sikhulu yini unama business yini? Does he have businesses?
Yeah, he does have business.
He told you that, but you've never seen them, ne?
No.
Oh yeah.
And he said he has a lot of money.
He's a boss.
Yebo. So ke uyayiqhenya ngami njengoba nami ngiqhenya ngayo umuntu wami ngasikhusane. Yabo into enjalo.
Sikhulu umthathaphi? Umthathaphi lo mama?
Manje ugeli yebo ngiyambona man ukuthi bekhona olunye usuku ngesikhathi ahlele epakini nami ngidlale lapha ngabona ukuthi hayi man Ntombi enhle kangaka Nkosi yami wathi ngisondele. Hayi man ikade ngifike ngesikhathi esiright yebo.
Sikhulu romantic wena. Sikhulu is romantic ne?
Yeah, a lot.
A lot. So I want to know from you sister. In a scale of 100, how much do you love school?
99.
99. In a scale of 100, how much do trust you?
Does he trust me?
How much you trust yourself?
I trust myself. Obviously 100%.
100. Do you have someone else that you are dating besides school?
No.
Is there anything that you want to take out from your heart to say sorry to school about that has happened in this relationship? Be honest, deep. That you know that, but you handled that situation and it was long time ago, but you just want to say sorry because, you know.
I'm not sure. I don't remember. Maybe he can say if I did anything wrong to him, but I'm not sure.
Besikahle nobheki nkosami ayikho into etheni ayikho into engenze.
School akazani nempi. Yini yamsaba lo mntwana?
Ngiyamhlonipha sikhulu sami ngoba njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ingakho ngigcine ngicabanga ukuthi ngivele ngimenza abe wami officially face i-white wedding sandasana.
White wedding ne?
You still remember?
Yeah.
So wena school in a scale of 100 umthemba kangakanani my sister?
Mfethu ngathi in a scale of 100 mfethu. Hayi mfethu ngithi 100. Hayi angijiki sikhulu sami. It's 100 for you my love ne?
Thank you, my love.
I like it.
Wena in a scale of 100 uzithemba kangakanani? School!
Sikhulu sami njengoba ngishilo ngiyaphinda futhi ngithi 100 ngoba ngiyamthanda angifise kube khona into
Wena uzithemba kangakanani wena yourself?
mina myself ngizithemba 100 futhi ngoba ngiyamthanda angifuneki ukukhula inhliziyo.
My sister, yeah. She's so happy. So is there anyone you are dating besides my sister?
Hayi akekho sikhulu sami.
Ikhonto ufuna ukuyixolisela school? Ikhonto ungafisa ukuyixolisela kule relationship?
Hayi mfethu ayikho into embi mina nomuntu wami uyasibona si happy nje yazi uwe nje kuphela usime ngawe la.
Ne?
Sikhulu sami si right yonke into right ayikho nje.
Phela umuphi yakho umtshela ukuthi uyamthanda.
I love you.
Na ingane inqaba ukuphi yakhe. Why is denying? Why you guys hey love language? Khage again.
Yo, yeba face because ya. Hey. Yeso. Uyisana sami lesi. Yazi the way.
Yeah, I love language.
Umzimba wakho yazi portable kanje.
Yeah.
Uyazi. Ayisikhulu samanye.
Kumnandi.
Sikhulu kanjani usidedele nje?
Sengizonidedela mfethu ngoba vele sesikhokha umoya nje ukuphefumula. No, school sami before ngikudedele nje mfethu kunento engifisa nje ukuyisho. Thank you for your time. Thank you for giving me time. But there's a thing that we do. It's called couple switching phones. It's whereby we switch phones. You give your partner a phone so that we can check who are you flirting with on your WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, if you use those other social networks. When my brother, you don't have a problem. You are not hiding anything because vele, you know, you are not cheating, right?
Hayi vele mfethu.
Sister?
Angikho lapha ngishithi.
You do?
Yeah, I don't have any problem.
Good. School woza la? School rights ngapha woza ngala lokhuzana. Konje your name?
Alvina.
LV. Come this side.
Sure.
Elvina. Do you know a song that sings about your name?
Yeah, I do.
Elvina. Why do you have to go away? No.
Khona diwesha khona yabona ukuthi ngesikhathi angitshele lakhe igama first time ngihlangana naye iyona ingoma
Eyaring
ekhanda the whole since from ngihlokana naye till the next time
umbonele.
yami yabona sengikuthandzela leyo nje ukuthi ngathi khona into esihlanganisayo yabona ukuthi manje Elvin yabona leyo ngoma.
Yeah, group park bafethu group park. LV group park. Imnandi ingoma yakho LV.
Simunye.
Tetela ingane woza ngapha sisi.
Mfuthu ngoba
Yeah.
nje.
Siqale ngeyakho.
Manje amafoni le.
We start with your phone.
My phone.
Yeah. To check it, please. Iphe yakho baba.
Hayi ifoni yona ikhona mfethu. Usho ukuthi baye lento seyifikene na
Siyenza manje. Yeah.
Ngikhiphe yakho.
Letha.
Ungakhohlwa phela mfethu ukuthi
Uvumile.
sinokwazi.
Give him the phone.
How? What's wrong?
What are you hiding there? Give
How?
him the phone.
Yabona ke manje.
You see your boyfriend is boring now.
Yeah.
Okay-ke makungenzeka baleke-ke.
No, we won't.
The phone. Give him the phone. What are you hiding inside the phone?
Yeah, sister, umbuze lo.
Give him the phone.
Bekumnandi nje sixoxela.
Give me the phone.
Give him the phone.
Khona mfethu.
Say, siyaphi? Ah, why is he stubborn?
Hayi bafethu.
Why is he stubborn now?
I don't
Tell him,
know
man.
what's wrong with him. I
What-
think he's hiding something.
What's wrong with you now?
Eh?
We were happy here.
Lo hamba naye sazi ukuthi ubani.
Please.
So-ke makungenzeka kuba
Elvi, should we start with yours?
Crazy.
Please,
Yeah.
please open for us. Thank you. Yeah, come. What's above? Ibambe. No. Now what's up now? Mase ngithype uzotypa la.
Boss.
Yeah, makuvele igama lakho la ungitshele, makuvele igama lezinye izinja la ungitshele ngoba yizo lezo zidla umuntu wakho ne.
Sure.
Ibambe kanjalo.
Sure.
All right, guys, my name is King Ginger Cream. We are on WhatsApp right now and we are about to tap that on this. Type and put I love you. Sister, LV. So boys don't come to you because you have nice eyebrows and yeah.
They do come a lot, but just that I love my man.
So you are honest to your man.
Yeah, I am.
LV.
100%. Sure.
Wena makwekwana. Ha. LV. Yakuvela baba.
Hayi akekho velayo akekho. Hayi.
Delete lapho sivele sisho at the same time. Type it's a sex. So does he ask you for Hey, Elvina ngiyayithanda le.
Hayi angiboni lutho nami akekho velayo. Vela mina nje kuphela usikhulu.
Sikhulu ngicela udelete.
Uyifake nje isikhulu baby ngiyayibona nami lapha.
Ngicela udelete lapho sikhulu. Ubhale uthi money. So that's sobona ukuthi who send her man. Awusho Elvin. Who send you money sometimes?
My mom or my dad.
Mm.
Hayi isikhulu sami akukho kuvelayo. Akukho kuvelayo.
Delete lapho type uthi come outside. Elvina. Hi man.
Hayi. Ku blank isikhulu.
Ne?
Ayikho into evela.
Hey, I'll delete now lapho, but can you please make it quick, my brother? Put an emoji of a brinjal, benches, and the whole water. This one, ta.
Hey boy, you're so funny. Huh?
With once, with the truth, ne?
Hayi ayikho evelayo de. Ayikho evelayo. Ayikho evelayo isikhulu. Ayikho evelayo.
Type lapho uthi. Type lapho uthi.
Sesiyatype manje mara besabantu akade besendlini.
Hayi kahle. Sisero usebenzisa Facebook. Do you use Facebook?
No,
Do you use Instagram?
no, just WhatsApp.
Type lapho uthi I miss you, put the red heart. Elvina. Come on, brah. It's too hard. It's too hot actually.
Ayikho evelayo mfethu. Mfethu screen nomuntu wami unganjani nje vele siza.
Sure,
angiboni ukuthi
Yeah,
ukhona mfethu. Yabona angiboni ukuthi ukhona nje enye into.
Ivule khona sohamba. Vula khona sohamba. Elvina, can you talk to me?
Phone yami futhi.
Can you please open your phone?
Mfethu yabona yonke into la ifana
Late.
na
We need to go somewhere.
ifana nento ozoyithola la into
Open
yodwa.
your phone. I'm getting late. Yo, I need to go somewhere.
Mara baby, do you trust these people ukuthi manje sesivula
Hey.
amafoni la?
Open your phone. Why aren't you holding my phone?
In school.
Hayi sikhula indaba egoli ngeke sithembane bafethu ngoba manje ish nakhona nje siyahlangana nje manje sokumele
Put your back back so that you can hold this phone. Here's the WhatsApp. When I say type, you're gonna type here. When you see your name here, tell me. When you see other bitches' name here, tell me because those bitches will be bitching with your man. All right, guys, boys and girls, bitches and bitchies, It's about that time. Couple switching phones. I go by the name of King Ginger. You know I'm international. Mhlabo type lapho uthi I love you. Abakushayela nangabe?
Hayi.
Okay.
Akekho.
Okay, so bona.
Ngoba ngishilo ukuthi ngaphandle kwakhe nje induna.
Uyayithemba?
Kakhulu.
Njengoba uthi usufuna ukubaleka.
Isikhathi mfethu khona la esiyakhona.
Elvina, talk to me.
Manje kahle.
Awume bapha, awume.
It's written Amanda here. And also, what's the name? I can't read this name. It's in Zulu. I don't know how to.
Yeah. Nobile.
I don't know.
Talk baba.
uAmanda siyesa umakhela uAmanda she's my name. You know I even shown you Amanda.
Stop stammering, ne? Stop stammering.
Why you stammering?
Amanda, in that Zulu girl.
Amanda
Nobile.
ngisachaza.
Okay. Nangoka. Alright, chaza ke.
uAmanda
Yeah.
same street.
Same street
Yes.
as in.
As in we stay sihlala same street. Yabona she's more like a friend yabo.
Oh.
Besides uAmanda ube close to umntana kithi, so that's how we yabo.
Connected.
Yeah.
That's when you started fucking her.
Unqobile ke na unqobile ngomunye nje like sihlangane nje siyeza bathenda.
You said you're in the same street and
Which means they've been doing this since long time ago, since you even came on a picture.
you even sleep with that girl.
Yes, you sleeping with. But for
It's even written.
cool.
Bafo wena kahle
It's even written, I'm-
Yabo, I mean, buka sutypanga nokutypa buka. Buka indaba zakho no Amanda buka.
Yeah, but-
Go to media. I want to see this Amanda girl. She looks fine.
mfethu
See, she even sends you her nudes.
Hey, asasayini wena manothi namanje.
Stop babying me.
Hey, ukubheka ingane wena.
I'll slap you. Stop babying me.
Yeah.
You are
Solo
cheating
ntanga bakhe.
No.
after everything that I did for you.
Hey, sister, no fight. Ngicela. Hey, Aibo, sister, no.
Yabona
Hey, sister, please, I beg you now. I beg you now.
You don't understand. Ne?
Yeah.
You don't even understand.
Yeah.
If you were in my shoes, you would understand me.
Can we
Ne?
talk?
Talk what?
Even cheating.
Yeah.
I see him as my boyfriend,
Can we
as
talk?
my man.
Can we
Ne?
talk?
He promised me the world.
Yeah,
Ne?
and he said he's gonna white wedding you.
Next year, and he's cheating,
With
sleeping around
two
with.
girls. Are you even using a condom? Hey, sister. Hey, sister. No, sister. Oh, sister. Hey, sister. Hey, now I got it. Sister. Elvina. No, stand up, Elvina. Stand up. Hey, you can tell Elvina, no, stop fighting.
mfethu kuba sihlangana nawe kuba izange yenzeke yonke le.
Pet, sister, are you gonna continue? Yeah, yes, mtshele. Mtshele, sister.
Kuba izange
Twayila kabi lo. Sister, musubulwa. Miyeke. Okay. Miyeke, welcome.
Let's talk please.
Ey, kushubile la. Nimvusa lo. Sister, angeke ngisakubamba. Stop, man.
I want to beat you.
No, don't
I'm
please.
gonna kill you too.
Eish, owe ma. Hey, Pet, uyayibona wisinto zengane. Uyabona ukuthi wisinto zengane.
Mfethu kunje nje kunenqaya. Kuyawu
Welcome. Yeka lo nangiloyo eza kumina. Nabo bafanele ya, mshaye sister. Miyeke. Hey, Balamule, welcome. Hey wena. Balamule, welcome. Yeke. Okay. Mfethu, hamba mfethu okungcono. Hamba okungcono.
Uyabona wena.
Wakajames wayibona ukukwathula mina. Mira.
Sister, was come to me.
Ininentsilo khulu kwabantu.
Sister, no.
Ari
Come.
kuni shit.
No. Leave him. Let's go take your things. Please. Come. Please. Ngeke, please, sister. Please, come. Come down.
Yakubathi wait.
Niki phone yakhe. Please come down. Let's take your things. Sister, don't fight. He's not worth it. Please. Bamba, sister, why are you passing your things? How? Take. Angisali nomuntu wakho. Futhi take.
Fuck off.
Ha.
Get
Bullshit.
Futsek.
Yeah, man.
Wakajames wena.
Bullshit.
Damn it.
Bamba la wena sister umthuke kahle. Bastard.
Fuck.
Yeah, mthuke.
Samre munhu wakajames.
Rembula.
Futsek.
How?
Mwana wembwa. Rubbish.
Rubbish.
Ngicela sikhulume.
Akuthema nethi
Me? Sister. How? What? Oh, your key. Put it back. Talk what? Murembul.
Get away! Get lost!
Get lost.
Mana wembra, push it.
Rubbish. Get away la. Yahlanya ngisazokubamba. Ngisafuna ukushaya ungahambi wena. Ngisafuna ukukushaya. Safuna ukukushaya wena. Hey wena uzokushaya njalo. Ho. Foot tag.
Stop babying me, foot sack! Mana wembra. Rubbish.
Rubbish. What?
Get lost!
Not what you think,
Get
Kanja.
lost, you motherfucker. Damn.
Yeah, Sambe sister. Yeah, Sam. Yeah, but you. What's cool?
You!
What's cool?
Rubbish.
What's cool? Sizokushaya thina mfana wami. Singabangwenya thina. Siyashaya. How? Wena mrembula. Sister. Now, I don't understand when you say rubbish, get lost, and wanamre. I want the meaning. Is the heart for sake? Sister, calm down. Please, why are you fighting this man? Because
He's cheating on me. I trusted him. I gave him my heart.
Tabana njalo.
I gave him my heart.
Yeah.
He's busy cheating. He told me that next year we are already planning our wedding. Ne? The
Yeah.
white wedding.
Yeah.
I even introduced him to my parents. Ne?
Now
I
he's
didn't
cheating
even know
two
that
girls.
he's sleeping around.
So do you want a chance to talk to him?
No, I
You don't want him
Otherwise
anymore?
I'll kill him. I'll kill him.
Yeah, he will die this one. He thinks he's a boss. I'm sorry, ne? Yeah, welcome. Give my sister a hug. Yeah, take a hug, my sister. Take a hug, you come down. Mark, welcome, please come down. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, come down. Welcome, will Uber you home, ne? Yeah, welcome. Mthathu Uber. Futhek wena. How? Lumchitu udlala ngo. Take me home. Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger, Cream de la Cream. Intwana yase Kings bathi umtimandi umabuya ubambolunya uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na. Couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV. Bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake.